This is the Empire number 92 engine, made by the Metalware Company in Two Rivers, Wisconsin. Vertical boiler, single-acting oscillating cylinder. There is no throttle on this engine. It runs one speed. Very simple engine. Like most of the Empire engines, they're single acting. There was only one engine that was double acting. There's a pulley to run the accessories. Water glass. This was a child's toy from the 1920s on. And the boy would have to learn to keep water in the boiler. Otherwise he would ruin the engine very fast. Ruin the boiler. The Empire number 92 engine.